Should you have more than one Etsy shop? This is a question I get asked all the time in my Setup Shop course, in my membership community, and I just see people wondering this constantly. Should I set up more than one shop? Now, there's lots of reasons why you might want to do this. Maybe you make lots of different things, or maybe you make things with a very different vibe to them. For example, I've made my ethereal jewelry, my sterling silver jewelry since 2008, but a couple of years in, I started to wear more vintage style clothes for a while, and so I started to want to make jewelry that fit with that vintage style. I started to make that stuff, and then I thought I'd like to sell this too, but it was radically different to my ethereal jewelry. So I started a second shop, and that did well for a while. But it was a lot managing two shops. Even though they're two jewelry shops, they were two completely different brands, and a lot went into that. And I'm going to talk about that in today's video. By the way, if you want to set up an Etsy shop for the first time, or you want to set up a new Etsy shop or overhaul the Etsy shop you already have, I have a course called Setup Shop that will help you do exactly that and get it right from the beginning. I'll tell you more about that later in the video. Now, one caveat on answering this question is I want you to ask yourself, do you have an Etsy shop, or do you have a business via which Etsy is one of the platforms that you sell? Because some people just go, oh, I'm going to open an Etsy shop, but that's all they do. They don't sell at markets, they don't sell on their own website, they don't really have much social media. And in that case, it's a lot easier to make this decision. Whereas if you have a full-on business and Etsy just happens to be one of the venues via which you sell, then you're going to have to open a whole nother business and set up another Etsy shop, etc., etc. So it's kind of how you are approaching this might influence this decision as well. But let's get into the nitty-gritty of the pros and cons of why you might go for either of these options. Okay, so let's start with the pros of having multiple Etsy shops. Obviously, targeted branding. You can have completely different branding for both businesses. You can have two different businesses making two completely different products in two completely different niches, or perhaps like me, you're selling the same thing but in a different style, and you don't want to muddy the waters of the branding of one business by introducing the other products to that business. And that means you can cater to different customer bases with each shop and not confuse potential customers who come along and see what looks like a mishmash of different items in the one shop. It also allows you to test your markets and have diversification. So you're not just relying on one shop to bring you all of your business. You have two or more shops, and you might be hitting different markets with that. You can test different types of products in one shop without affecting the other shop, and you're not relying on one single market to bring you all of your business. Another benefit is increased visibility. You might have more listings, and more listings over multiple shops might allow more customers to find you and therefore get you more sales. So what that boils down to is you've got two distinct brands and all that goes along with having two distinct brands and the benefits of that. Now let's talk about the cons. It's much more complicated to manage two shops than it is to manage one. You've got the complexity of managing two shops, two lots of messages, potentially two lots of social media and marketing. So that's the second one, is marketing load is much higher because you have to manage two completely separate brands and drive traffic using and drive brand awareness using two separate brands. And maybe you only have Instagram. Okay, that's two Instagram accounts. Maybe you also use TikTok or YouTube or Pinterest. It starts to add up and becomes much more complex to manage two separate brands. It's going to cost you more. These days it costs you money to open an Etsy shop, and of course it costs you money to run an Etsy shop. It might also cost you money in other ways, not just the setup costs or transaction fees, because really once you've got the shop set up, the transactions, doesn't really matter which shop it happens in, but don't forget that's not the only thing. You're going to have two sets of packaging. You're going to have two sets of business cards or earring backs or whatever goes along with the branding of your business. You've got to have two of everything. You don't just have one that you can use for everything. So it's going to cost you more to have those extra things to do with your business as well. And again, marketing, if you're spending money on marketing, you can't just spend money marketing one business and have it go to the other business as well. It's actually going to be double the price because you have to advertise and market each brand separately from the other. Now, another con is brand dilution. You are going to have two lots of customer bases, and the customers that are loyal to one brand might not be loyal to the other brand or even know about the other brand, let alone care about the other brand. So There might also be some confusion there if people kind of know who you are and then they're like, oh, which one are you talking about? Which shop are you talking about? That sort of thing. So there is could be a little bit of confusion and dilution there as well. Another con is inventory management. Of course, you're going to have two lots of inventory to control and manage and keep up to date. So yeah, are you going to keep them separate? Are you going to have everything jumbled together? How are you going to do that when it comes to doing your books? Are you going to have two separate sets of books for the two Etsy shops, or are you going to have one accounting system that accounts for both of them? Like, you have to think about all that stuff as well. How are you going to actually run the behind the scenes and the accounting and the emails? Like, you have to have two emails. You can't have more than one Etsy shop with one email. So you're going to have two email inboxes to manage as well and keep up with. Of course, you've really also got to avoid having duplicate stock across your two shops. But if you are at the point where you want to have two shops because they're different enough, then that probably shouldn't be happening anyway. And of course, you need to abide by Etsy's policies on having multiple shops. Stuff like you need to list all of your shops in your profile. I'll put a link to Etsy's document about managing multiple shops in the description below, so you can make sure that you're compliant with their rules around that. So overall, having two shops can be beneficial, absolutely. If you're selling two completely different things, you're selling two completely different types of things, and you want to have really nicely branded and niched shops, then you might have to have more than one shop. Some people manage to get around this. They sell lots of different things, but they brand it very similarly. So you might sell bags or purses and jewelry, but it all feels the same. However, having two shops also comes with a lot more time management, additional complexity, and it can be just overwhelming to manage those two brands separately. So that's something to seriously consider if you are thinking about doing this. Now, if you do want help with that, as I said, come and join me for Setup Shop. It's a 30-day intensive course. You work with me every day and we take you through a system to set up a stellar online shop for your handmade goods. Head on over to createandthrive.com/setup shop. It's running again very soon. And if you're watching this later, I do run it twice a year, so check it out and you can enter your email to be notified next time the course is running. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this one, give me a thumbs up and make sure to check out these videos on how to run a successful Etsy shop. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.